What's up mga Katoy-Toys? Ayan po.
I don't know how to translate.
Ayan po.
Ayan po.
Isa na naman pong makapanindig balahibong
There is one more hair raising vlogs.
ang inyong matutunghayan.
That you will watch.
Ngayon po ay special na araw dahil
Now it's a special day.
dahil ngayon ay magsasalita po ako ng full English.
Because you're speaking English. If you make mistake, I will do
Yeah. Pag nagka-mistake ako, pingot. Ano yung pingot in
Like this,
English? Twisting ears?
Twisting ears, yeah. Twisting ears. That sounds weird.
Ayan. So, sa full unboxing po natin, magi-English lang po kaming dalawa.
Yeah, of course. I always speak English.
Yeah. Okay, let's start. Kung napapansin nyo po, change venue kami. Kasi, mag-start na ba mag-English?
Yeah.
I will start na.
Yeah.
Sige, pingot muna. Kasi nagkamali ako.
Oh, that's disgusting. I'll touch the inside here. Like this part at least.
Okay, start na. I will speak in English na fully.
Finally, I don't have to translate those confusing words.
What's up mga Katoy-Toys? Today is a special day because I will only speak in English with my son, Taro.
With me, myself, and I.
And we will unbox a special Batman for you.
That's a special Batman. Shout out to my uncle.
Because
Because he gave me the toy.
he give you this special
Years before.
Batman. Yeah.
Like in
Pero
2018.
no. But we will unbox it now for you guys. So,
Yep.
let's start. Ready?
The rubbing of hands.
1, 2, 3. Yeah! Yan po.
Oh, you scared me a lot. And this is blocking my way.
It's blocking our way. They cannot see us.
Did you speak Tagalog?
No.
Yan na.
I did.
Yeah. He said,
Okay.
yan.
Okay.
Ow.
So, this is it.
So this is it. With the rubbing of hands.
This is it. The Funko Pop Batman
You just look at this.
18-inch.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
46
7, 8, 9, 10,
centimeters.
Yeah, take me.
Batman 80 years. 80 years.
But it's just 2 years or 1 year Batman.
Yeah, because
too
Batman is already 80 years old.
Wait, Batman's only 80 years old.
Last year, I think. And as you can see, you are
Like the
show your face.
like the one in last video.
Show your
Yeah.
As you can see,
That was okay.
you're already seeing the Batman here, but it's much more different inside. So
Because it's bigger.
so we still need to
From here to
unbox
here.
it. Okay, let's go. Help me
With
carry.
the rubbing of hands.
Yeah. Because it's so big, we need to put it down and unbox it for you guys.
So big. That's so big.
Let's go.
Wow.
Carry it.
It's still heavy when you carry it.
Yeah, mga Katoy-Toy. Buksan na po natin.
Chara! 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 Chara!
Nye. De, joke lang. Ito na po yung totoong unboxing. Ay, nag-Tagalog ako.
Flashback. And
Wait, unboxing. One, two, three.
Mga Katoy-Toys.
There you go.
As you can see,
Ah!
we have a big Batman.
Wala.
This is the biggest Batman ever.
Really?
Yeah,
Second?
this is second. The biggest Batman that we own. Okay, let's open
You own me.
it. We.
Hello?
Let's remove all of this. It's noisy.
It's noise, but it's noisy, but it's noise.
It's noise. See?
Ah!
Tyron. It's noise. See?
Oh, it's noise. See? Look at the door. Look at the door.
There you go. So heavy.
He's 2 foot.
Uh,
He's 2'7".
go.
There you go. There you go.
The Funko Pop Batman 80 years anniversary edition. 18 inches or 46 centimeters.
Oh, I think it was 80 just because 80 years of Batman.
There.
What
Noise.
did you watch somebody not
So, there you go, mga Katoy-Toys.
There you go.
The Batman Funko Pop 18-inch by Funko Pop, of course. And this is not the only one we are going to do today. I will also show you one of my custom,
Wow.
the DIY.
DIY, yeah.
Do it yourself.
Yourself.
Yeah.
Not myself. Yourself. Yourself.
And if you want to see it, stay tuned. And
Stay tuned to iTunes.
we will be right back.
I'll be back.
With the rubbing of hands.
There you go.
There you go.
Thank you for watching us. And just like before, we want to tell you thank you.
Thank you.
And
And
subscribe.
happy holiday.
You know what? I think we're gonna be friends.
Special friends.
And when I'm with friends, I like to have fun.
And also subscribe.
Subscribe. Like. If you're not watching. My mom is awkward. My mom's awkward. My mom's awkward. Just I'm telling you.
Okay, subscribe, like, and
Subscribe
hit the
and
bell
hit the bell
button.
Ding ding ding.
Okay ba yung challenge ko? All English? Yeah?
Ba.
We're done. We're finished.
You said okay ba?
We're finished na. So, next time mga Katoy-Toys, the challenge will be Tyrom will speak in Tagalog in the entire video.
Actually, I'm not gonna tell anything.
So, watch out for that. So, sa uulitin, finish na tayo. Goodbye, mga Katoy-Toys! 1, 2, 3, 4. Takatakatoy, takatakatoy-toy, takatakatoy, takatakatoy-toy, takatakatoy, takatakatoy-toy, takatakatoy, takatakatoy-toy.
Wow!